In this work, we introduce an untethered bipedal robot that has a unique leg structure which we call HybridLeg.
So what is HybridLeg? In general, humanoid robots tend to adopt a serial linkage structure. This decision is natural because of the intrinsic nature of the humanoid, that is, to mimic a human. In fact, a human leg has serial linkage leg structure. But in the realm of robotics, parallel linkage structure is frequently seen and has its own advantages, like faster speed, smaller inertia, and better payload-to-weight ratio. So we thought, what if we combine both? The middle image clearly shows that the HybridLeg is a parallel linkage mechanism, but each linkage of the parallel links consists of a serial chain that includes a 5-bar closed linkage. Hence, we call this leg structure a serial parallel hybrid leg, or in short, the HybridLeg.
The HybridLeg bipedal robot has 12 motors for leg actuation, 10 of which are concentrated near the pelvis, and only 2 are located at the ankles. Not only does this reduce the distal mass, which mitigates the effect of swing leg dynamics, but it also improves fidelity when modeling the robot as a reduced order model, such as a linear inverted pendulum.
The HybridLeg bipedal robot is a fully self-contained platform housing a single-board computer, an IMU, a voltage converter, and LiPo batteries within its body. Now, we will show video clips from several walking experiments with the HybridLeg robot.